Life isn't about having everyone around you, it's about keeping the ones who understand your silence, your storms, and your dreams. Sometimes life isn't about how many people surround you, it's about keeping the few who see your pain behind your smile. We all wear masks, but real peace comes when you find those who understand your silence and still choose to stay. Too many people fake okay just to keep others comfortable. Protect your peace. Keep the ones who truly get you, not just your laughter, but your tears too. Tag that one person who understands your unspoken moments.